Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ben, and today I'd love to talk to you about invasive species. What are invasive species? Invasive species are species that come from one place to the other and become harmful in all sorts of ways to the native species and to the people that live in that area. So, what are the factors that contribute to this? Many of the factors that favor invasive species are climate, habitat, tourism, and tourism is a way that most of these invasive species are moved from one place to the other. This is of great concern because invasive species in most cases wipe out the native species that are native to that area. We also do have an economic cost in such a way that in agriculture, um, farmers are having to deal with these invasive species so that they can protect their plants, their animals, um, and another human cost, we have invasive species like the Burmese python down in the Everglades in Florida, eating pets, eating the babies and stuff like that. So it's very scary, and it's of great concern to the population. And with that, I'd love to leave you with kind of a note that we all have to wake up and look into this issue. Thank you.
Hey everybody, it's your favorite Python expert here to talk to you a little bit about the Burmese python issue in the Florida Everglades. Though this species has become um, a notorious invasive threat to the Florida state, it also threatens a large part of the United States since so much of the southern states is climatically favorable for this snake to take hold and become an invasive threat elsewhere. Um, we so far have a few control methods in place in the Florida state to try to get this population under control. The Python Patrol program is run by the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. People can call in on a hotline with reports of Burmese pythons and have them removed by a professional. There's also the Python Pickup Program, which encourages hunters with entries into a raffle, a grand prize drawing of which will be made in October of 2020. There's also very few restrictions on when pythons can be killed as long as it's done humanely. Um, Pythons can be killed at any time during the year outside of the Everglades National Park. Um, Hopefully, with this import management keeping more control over what pythons are allowed into the state, as well as continued hunting efforts, we can slowly and over time control this population that is causing so much damage to the Everglades ecosystem. However, our best bet would probably be further research into the Burmese python population and new methods of controlling these snakes to try to protect the national park.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jungle Bob. Today we're in the Everglades, learning about the effects of Burmese pythons on your pets.
Burmese python are a big threat not only to the native wild species, but also the local pets and sometimes humans. Medium to large sized pythons are known to attack and eat pets such as dogs and cats. Take this hamster for example, minding its own business, then boom, it's gone.